Health Gorilla Telehealth Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Health Gorilla Telehealth are in the description, so make sure to check them out for more information. Let's get right into it. Health Gorilla Telehealth is a robust platform designed to provide accessible healthcare services for both individual patients and healthcare providers. It's ideal for non-urgent medical consultations, remote patient management, and chronic condition monitoring, serving a wide range of needs from routine checkups to mental health support. The platform offers a convenient way for patients to connect with doctors via video consultations, secure messaging, and phone calls, allowing easy access to healthcare from anywhere. The key features of Health Gorilla Telehealth include 24/7 access to medical professionals, ensuring users can get medical advice when they need it most, whether for general health concerns, prescriptions, or referrals. The platform also allows remote patient monitoring, making it particularly beneficial for patients with chronic conditions such as diabetes or hypertension who need ongoing care. Another strong feature is its integration with electronic health records, EHRs, enabling seamless information exchange between healthcare providers for more coordinated care. Plus, the platform's mental health services, including therapy and counseling, make it a valuable resource for patients seeking emotional support. The strengths of Health Gorilla lie in its comprehensive range of services, which cater to a variety of healthcare needs, from routine consultations to mental health care. Its user-friendly interface makes booking appointments and communicating with healthcare professionals simple and efficient. Additionally, the ability to integrate with EHR systems ensures that medical data is easily accessible for providers, improving the overall quality of care. However, there are some drawbacks. Health Gorilla may not be suitable for emergency situations, as it's focused on non-urgent care. Additionally, while it offers a broad range of services, the platform might not have the specialized care options needed for more complex medical conditions. Furthermore, regional availability and insurance compatibility could vary. In conclusion, Health Gorilla Telehealth is a solid option for anyone seeking convenient, non-urgent healthcare, particularly for chronic condition management and mental health support. Its integration with EHRs, 24/7 access, and user-friendly interface make it a reliable telehealth solution. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details.